Welcome. Forget everything you know about luxury. This is the new benchmark of excellence. Look at those seamless lines. Every inch of this Mercedes S-Class screams pure perfection and status. Flush door handles that greet you like a royal. Engineering meets art in the most subtle way. The moment you step inside, the world outside just disappears. Absolute silence, absolute peace. A cockpit from the future. Massive screens and hyper-responsive tech right at your fingertips. 64 colors to match your mood. It's not just a car, it's a private sanctuary. Hand-stitched Napa leather. The texture tells a story of unmatched German craftsmanship. This is the first-class suite on wheels. Legroom for days and comfort that defies logic. Pure power under the hood. The stability at high speeds is simply mind-blowing.
Rear axle steering makes this giant feel like a nimble sports car on every corner.
Digital lights that project warnings on the road. Safety has never looked this brilliant. Just say, "Hey Mercedes," and your wish is its command. The AI is incredibly intuitive. 4D surround sound that you can feel in your soul. It's a rolling concert hall. Open up to the world. The massive glass roof brings the sky right to you. Magic carpet ride. The air suspension glides over bumps like they don't even exist. Precision handling in a massive frame. This Mercedes S-Class is a dream to drive.
Surrounded by invisible shields. This car thinks faster than you to keep you safe. See the unseen. Night vision ensures you're always ahead of whatever is in the dark. The road is your screen. Augmented reality navigation keeps your eyes exactly where they belong.
Hot stone massage while you drive? Yes, please. This is peak relaxation on wheels. Smooth yet powerful. The engine hums with a quiet confidence that commands respect. Practicality meets luxury. Plenty of space for your finest luggage and gear. The ultimate luxury experience. The Mercedes S-Class is truly the best or nothing. Drive the dream.